To install Spectrum app on TCL Smart TV, first turn on your TCL Smart TV and make sure it is connected to the internet. Use your remote to navigate through the home screen options. Look for the App Store available on your TV and open it. Once inside, go to the search option to find the app. Use the on-screen keyboard to type Spectrum TV carefully. From the results, select the Spectrum TV app. This will open the app details page on your screen. Now highlight the Install button and press Select on your remote. Wait while the app downloads and installs on your TV. You will see a progress bar showing the installation status. Once installed, you will see an option to open the app. Select Open to launch the Spectrum TV app. The app will load and display the login screen. Choose the Sign In option to continue. Enter your Spectrum username using the TV keyboard. Now type your password carefully to avoid errors. After entering details, select the Sign In button. Wait a few seconds while the app logs you in. Once logged in, the home screen will appear. You will now see available channels and content. Browse through the list of live TV channels. Use your remote to select any channel you want to watch. The selected channel will start playing on your screen. You can adjust the volume using your remote. Open the guide menu to explore more channels. Scroll through the channel list easily. Select another channel to switch content. Enjoy watching live TV using the Spectrum app. Make sure your internet connection is stable for smooth streaming. And that's how you install and use the Spectrum app on TCL Smart TV easily.